Take the tension up slowly, hold steady on the current axis.
This is the Mac B series we pulled out. It's sitting on the low boy now. That's about 95% rust right there with 550% mud and water. Wow, look at this interior. That water must be 6 inches deep. As you can see, this cabin is completely unrestored. Look at the rust on the door sill and the mud caked on the floor. The mechanical work is done. Now we move on to surface finishing. This primer is essential for isolating that remaining 5% of rust.
So you want to keep sanding in a circular motion until the gray filler is completely smooth. Then just wipe it down to check the curve.
So the front clip is mostly together. We just threw the headlights in for a test fit, still waiting on the new bumper. All right, everyone, update on the Mac. We're looking at about 90% coverage on the primer, just 5 to 10% rust left. And look at these new chrome handles we just got in. All right, guys, as you can see, the prep work is done. We've got the windshield fully masked and the grille taped off perfectly. Now we're rolling her into the booth for the first coat. All right, getting this freshly painted rim onto the machine. This gloss red is absolutely stunning. Zero rust anywhere on this build. All right, use the impact wrench to secure the bolts once we get it aligned.
Got it. This tire is heavier than it looks.
Super excited to show you the dusty reddish orange paint job. The MMK logo is looking sharp against the chrome, and we love these cartoons. All right, guys, so we're pulling the MP8 out of this granite. Got to keep these ropes tight to guide it past the firewall. And here it is, the moment we've been waiting for, the empty engine bay. Now we can start cleaning up these wires and prep for the new setup. All right, we're installing the turbo assembly now, making sure these bolts are torqued exactly to spec, and that is perfect. We're installing the polished aluminum housing. Making sure these bolts are torqued down correctly is crucial. And that's the old one out. Look at the difference compared to the new stainless steel.
Okay, signaling left now. See how we manage the turn radius here. It's a tight squeeze, but we'll make it.